If your shift key is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the best fixes to get it working again. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's jump straight into the solutions. Step 1. Check your keyboard. First, let's make sure your keyboard itself is not the issue. If you're using a desktop, unplug the keyboard and try connecting it to another USB port. If you are on a laptop, plug in an external USB keyboard and check if the shift key works there. If the other keyboard works fine, then your laptop keyboard might need repair. If not, let's move on to the software fixes. Step 2. Check ease of access settings. Next, let's check if special settings are causing the issue. Go to the Start menu and open Settings. From the left-hand side, click Accessibility. Scroll a little and click on Keyboard. In there, look for sticky keys and filter keys. Turn them both off. If they're already off, try turning them on and off again just to reset them. Now try typing again and see if the shift key works. Step 3. Update your keyboard drivers. Now let's update your keyboard driver. You can update it manually, but that's time consuming. If you want a quicker way to update drivers or Windows couldn't find one, you can use a tool I personally recommend called Advanced Driver Updater. The download link is in the description. Install it, launch the app and click Scan Now. It will show a list of outdated drivers including your keyboard. Just click Update All and let it handle the rest. After it updates, restart your computer and check your shift key again. Step 4. Run Keyboard Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, then type this and hit Enter. This will open the Keyboard Troubleshooter. Click Next and let it run. If it finds any issue, go ahead and apply the fix. If it doesn't find anything, just move on to the next step. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them. Microsoft often releases fixes for issues like this through updates. Step 6. Run SFC scan. Sometimes corrupted system files can cause keyboard issues. To fix this, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It will repair corrupted files. Restart your PC and check if the shift key works. And if none of these solutions work, try using your keyboard on another computer. If the shift key still doesn't respond, it's most likely a hardware problem and you might need a replacement. That's how you fix the shift key not working issue on Windows 11 or 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. And if you still have questions, just drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.